Yo, what's up, you guys? What's happening? What is good, man? Oh, you guys, we got a good one today. You guys, I didn't make that video this week because um, everybody in my house got sick. I don't know. There's something floating around. I know the butcher, he's sick too. I heard. It's just something that's floating around. So I'm just now like this is like today, I'm feeling good. You know what I mean? I can get up, move around, but I was feeling pretty raunchy, pretty raunchy. But you guys, man, we gonna have a good live show today. We got a lot of stuff, man. This AI stuff, you guys, is getting really big. Okay, everything that I see, you guys, on YouTube is AI. Everything you see on Facebook is AI. Everything you see on X is AI. I mean, it's all over the place, you guys. So I got a new one to talk about today. I've been playing with. Okay, I've been actually playing with a couple different things. Okay, I've been playing with a couple different things, but this one right here, you guys, is real nice. Okay, but yeah, I appreciate all you guys stopping by. For all the people, excuse me, for all the people that do not know who I am, my name is KODIMAN. I'm a content creator. Uh, I do streaming. I do technology. A little bit of everything. Okay. So um, we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna show you guys today. Um, I'm gonna show you guys this program. Okay. Really nice. It's an all-in-one type deal. It does quite a bit. Okay, and for what it is, it's very super smart. Okay, it's very super smart. Um, and it's very how do I want to say it? Like, I've used some AI software that just wasn't there, and I've used some AI software that's way beyond its limit, okay? And I've used some software that does the job, okay? So, I mean, it's a lot of things that you can do with this stuff, okay? It's a lot of things. And if you guys don't know, like, as you guys know, you guys might not know, because some of you guys are on YouTube, but your boy is doing some different things, okay? Um, Not only am I taking, my channel to how I want to put this, to technology and the K word. You guys know me as the K word. If you guys don't know what the K word is Jody. Okay, put the K in the beginning of it. Okay, I do that, and there's a lot of things that I do, but you guys didn't know that, I have tattoos, and one of my tattoo is a music tattoo. You guys, I'm very when it comes to music, you guys, I love it. Okay. I love all kinds of music. I listen to country, I listen to pop, I listen to rock, heavy metal. I'm just an all way type person when I listen to music. Okay. And there's some software out here, okay? And I'm gonna be playing with more, it's coming, but I just have to, get my feet wet first. But I did go ahead and create a new single, song, and put it out. I still got to get my channel together. But you guys, it's all over the place. It's on Spotify. It's on Apple Music. It's on Pandora. It's on iHeart Music. It's not there yet, but it's coming. Okay. But let me see who's in the chat first. Okay. We got Miss Katie in the building. What is good, Miss Katie? Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling well. Thank you for stopping by. She said I finally caught you. Yeah, I'm just like, sometimes I haven't got a set schedule yet, but I'm gonna get there, okay? I'm gonna get there. I just got a lot of stuff going on in the background. Um, my life's, my whole life thing, and some things come up. So, but pretty soon I'm gonna have a set schedule, so you guys will know. Okay, he's going live today. My dude Latif, man, what is up? What's happening? Hope you're feeling well, my dude. We got the creator. How you doing? Hope you're well. And he says, can you play my game? Can you play my game? Can you play games? Okay. I think that's what you're saying. I'm not for sure, but um, AI, you can pretty much do a whole lot with this. I mean, there's there's not no limit to what AI can do. Okay. I've heard it do some crazy things. I heard it do some things that really that I didn't even know that it could do. Okay. There's some things out there that it can do, and you guys, it's gonna get even better and better and better and better. Okay, because it's being pushed every single day. So we got my dude Hufflink in the building. Hufflink TV, what's up? Hope you're doing well, my man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. And if you guys haven't hit that thumbs up, you guys go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Cody Man. Nice to meet you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can get going and know each other a little bit more. Okay. Miss Shrink and Sharon, my mod is in the building. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Appreciate it. And she says, hello, welcome everybody. Stop free. Yep. Hit that like button, okay? So we also have my dude D Johnson in the building. What's up, D? What's happening, man? What's good? So you guys, man, I mean, it's just I can't cover it all at one time, and I really don't want to because I want to space this stuff out so you guys can get a feel of of what you're looking at. You know what I mean? So you guys can say, maybe I'll try that. You know what I mean? Maybe I won't. You know what I mean? I want to show you. I want to show you the good, and I want to show you the bad. Okay? There's some software out there, and it's AI, but to me, it's not doing it. Okay? It's not doing it yet. Maybe they need to make improvements, somewhere. But this one right here, you guys, Deep AI. Okay? That's what it's called. It's called Deep AI. And you guys, um, they have excuse me, they give you so much for free to try. Okay? They give you so much to try out for free. Okay? And then after you try that, there's you have to pay. Okay? So the lowest one is $5 for this Deep AI. Is $5, and it allows you. You get with the pictures with the image. You get 500 images a month, and then with the videos, they're like shorts. They're not really like long videos. They're like really short video, like GIF or like something similar to that. But they give you five for free to start off with. Okay, and we're gonna get into all this. I want to show you guys everything that it has, and I want to show you guys how good it works. Okay, we got one more person, my dude, Mister Option. What's up, Ian? What's happening? Um, yeah, it's definitely, most definitely, most definitely, most definitely, most definitely a nice one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let me bring up this. Wait, hold on. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste this inside the chat. Okay, I didn't put it in the description. I will though after this is all over with. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the chat for you guys. So just in case, you know what I mean, you want to go ahead and go over and check this out. Okay, so you just got, first thing is your AI chat. Okay, and it's a bot. Okay, so you can ask it questions. You can ask it to do something. You can ask it all kinds of things. Okay, it's basically just like Chat GPT. Okay, where Chat GPT will make you a whole song, create you a song of verses and chords and everything. And it's just like, Chat GPT will make you a section of videos. Okay, so this will do all that. So I could tell it, okay, make me a song about a streamer. Okay, and okay, so I go down here and hit that, and here it goes. Okay, so it goes ahead and it makes you a song about streamers. So it says, sure, here's a fun song about streamers. Okay, so and it says, would you like a different style or a theme? So you can tell it, yes, make to do that. Okay, and it will do that. Okay, and right here you can regenerate if you don't like it, or you can delete it. Okay, and down here you got standard. Okay, you got online, you got math, and you got genius. Okay, so if I pick genius, let me see if I can do that. Hit delete. Let me see. Make me a song about streaming. Okay, so the thing is, you guys, with the genius part, okay, I'm going to show you in a couple different spots of this AI. Okay, make me a song about streaming. Okay, it is set to genius, which it does a whole lot better and is way more accurate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. So, and what it does is it gives you a title, go live, okay, and then it gives you the whole song, okay, and you could tell it to let me know if you want a specific genre or if you want to make it about a certain game or platform, and you can tell it to do that, and it will do that, okay. So I mean, it's nice. Okay, you have the text generator, you got Chat GPT alternative, you got your coding, your poem generator, storytelling, and more. You know what I mean? So you guys, it can do a lot. Okay, when I mean a lot, I mean a whole lot. If you, I mean, I don't know if you guys ever used well, some of you guys have used Chat GPT, okay? And for the ones that have used Chat GPT, it's not totally free, okay? If anybody's telling you that it's totally free, it's not. Okay, it only spits out so much, and with the free version is a whole lot better. Okay, just as the same thing as Deep AI. Okay, which is this program right here. But the only thing is, excuse me, the only thing is with ChatGPT and Deep AI is this goes a little bit further. Okay, this goes a little bit further. Okay, so if you wanted to change all this, of course you got your speech to text, and you also have image down here. So you can click new chat, and it'll just go away. Okay, so that's basically that. To tell you guys about real super nice little section here. Okay, so let's go over here to the AI image generator. Okay, you guys, this is this is where it gets very interesting. Okay, um, it gets very nice right here, and Deep AI is known for very good image. Okay, so you can prompt it to tell it whatever image that you want. And you have three different models right here. You have standard, you have HD, and you have genius, you guys. You guys, genius level right here is very nice. Okay? If I didn't say shout out to my Facebook people, man, shout out to my Facebook people. I just forgot. I'm live on Facebook too, you guys. I'm live on Facebook. You guys know. I told you this the very few couple times. If I'm live on YouTube, I'm live on Facebook also. So if you're friends with me and you're on Facebook, you're seeing this. Okay. So back to what I was talking about. This. Okay. And then you have your little preference down here, which is classic, anime, photographic, photographic, graphy, cinematic, hyperreal, graphic design, and accurate. Okay. So I mean, you could just by what it's saying, you guys, I'm telling you. Okay. So let me just show you some things that oh, you could choose the shape. Okay, and you can choose the shape. Okay. So let me just show you some things that I come up with. Okay. So I told it to make a baby Superman. Okay. So this is what it did. Okay. And you can go over here, you can copy the link, you can copy the prompt, you can edit it, you can remove the background. Okay. You can remove it from your gallery. Okay. So real super nice. Let me see how I get out of here. Just go back here, go into here again. So and I try, different things and different ways. And I even tried something like this. Uh, make me a mushroom guy. Okay. So basically, just I was telling it to make me a mushroom guy in a certain way, and it did it. Okay. So let me see. So I don't have to see if I can get out of here. Let's see. Um, I didn't want to do that. All right, so let me try to get back out of here. Um, let me just go back over here again because I hit the wrong button. So it's right here. So, anyways, you guys, there's all kinds of ways. There's all kinds of different different things that you can do with this. Okay, so and they do give you some choice of styles right here that you can pick from. Okay, to make it realistic, or to even pick the kind of style that you want. Okay, or you can view 100 styles, and you can choose speed or quality. Okay, so if you want to go real fast, you can pick speed, and it'll take seconds to do. If you want to do quality, it might take about 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes to do. Okay, because the quality level on it is going to make it very, very, very super nice. Okay, it's going to make it very, very super, super nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do one. Okay, I'm going to say make a picture of let's see. Okay, okay, I got a funny one. I got a funny one, you guys, of a French of a Frenchie with a Dallas Cowboy jersey on. Okay, and you guys, the reason why I did this, okay, is because, and you guys have to understand the whole thing with AI. Okay, AI understands more details. Okay, so the more details you give it, the more it'll spit it out. Okay, so we're going to use Genius mode on here, and then we're going to use let's just use accurate. Okay, and let's generate it. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see what it comes up with. That's using accurate and Genius mode. Okay, so we're just using those two modes. And I like using Genius, you guys, because the picture quality comes out way so much better. Okay, so I'm not bullshitting you guys. Look, what is that? That's a Frenchie. Okay, and he's got a Dallas Cowboy jacket on. And you could talk to the image. Okay, you can select here. You can enhance it. You can remove the background. You can make it animated. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Okay, there's a lot of things on this picture generator that is nice. You could change the background in it. You could tell it to make it a different background. Okay, and then of course you have the download button right here, and you have the share button. Okay, you can share it. You guys, very, 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 very. I mean, to me, this is one of the best and the cheapest AI generator, AI picture and generator that I've ever seen out there. Less than it's $5. I'm not joking. I paid for it. It was $5. Okay, and for $5 and it does this. Okay, wow. That's all I got to say. Okay, so and you guys, the thing is, you only get 500. But listen, there's no way, there's no way if you're using more than 500 pictures, you need to be you need to be buying more. Okay, you need to get a bigger plan. Okay, that means you're making some kind of money or you're doing something. Okay, but 500 should not last. That should really much. If you're just playing with it and you want to just come up with something and share it, or you want to give it to somebody, 500 is plenty. Okay, so um, so that's this. I showed you guys, and listen, you can change the shape. You can make it longwise. You can make it into a square, and you can make it as like like tall, like as if it's for a phone. Okay, so if you're looking for some good wallpaper for your phone, there you go. You just choose that shape. Look for what you're looking for, and there you go. Okay, so we went through the AI chat. Went through the AI generator. Okay, so now let's go over to the AI video. Okay. Now, you guys, you see this right down here, Hollywood mode. It made to go longer with different effects to it. Okay. So I would advise you guys, if you're going to use this part, okay, make sure you really, really know what you're doing with this first before you pay for this, because this feature costs $10 per video. Okay. So I don't even use this Hollywood mode. Okay. I think this is for like people that are really making money off of a certain site or something using this. Okay. But if you got where you can drag and drop an image, okay, and it'll do it, or you can go to a prompt where you can enter a certain detail about what you want the video to have in it, and it will create it. Okay. So I'm not going to do one. I'm going to just show you some of the videos that I created. Okay. So I'm going to go down here to view previous ones. Okay. So I did this one with a baby flying. Okay. And it come out animated, and it come out just exactly what I told it to do. Okay. Make a baby flying. Okay. So, I mean, and it looks good, you guys. Looks excellent. Okay. And you guys, these can be clips for a video that you might be making. There's AI video generators that where you can make these and turn them into video clips, and you can have them saying something. Okay. So let's get out of here, and I'll show you one more. I told it to make a polar bear that is hurt and a baby comes to save him. Okay? So there you got the kid rushing to the polar bear to help him. Plain and simple. And it looks nice. Okay? These are not very, very long. These are not like long videos. Okay? There's other apps that does that, that will do that along with this maybe, but these are just like clips, okay? These are just like clips, okay? You can make like little clips of them, okay? And of course, to all you Philadelphia fans, I hate to say it, but this is what's going to happen this year. I'm just playing, okay? But I made this right here. I told it to make me an animated man standing on the moon with the Dallas Cowboy flag standing on top of a Philadelphia Eagle football player. And that's what it did. Okay? That's exactly what it did. Okay? So, you guys, it's very, 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 very super accurate. Okay. This program, for what it is, for what it costs, for what it does, it's very, very nice. And then we have the AI music. Okay. So you can create unique music with DPI, perfect for Foley, effects for your videos. So basically, you can make a song, and this is the section right here for music, but you can actually make a song that you can create. You don't have to use like pseudo. So let's go to do this. Make me, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Make a uh country song about a woman I love. Okay, now make me a country song about a woman. I'm just going to give you guys examples. Okay, I'm just giving you guys examples what it can do. Okay, you can use oldie mode. I usually don't use this. You know what I mean? So all you do is type in what you want, hit generate. Okay. Now the AI chat, you can actually type, you can make the song, but then when you make the song, you can copy it and put it in this AI music. And this is the same. Well, I'm not going to compare this to Suno making music because Suno is a whole lot better, you guys. Suno is just it's another different world. Okay. But as you see, it made a country song. It's not the best, but it did make a country song. Okay, now. So, you guys, all in one for $5, you guys. And trust me, you're not going to go through 500 pictures. Okay, you're going to have fun. You're going to do your first 100, and you're going to get tired of it. Okay, but I showed you the AI chat. Okay, which is just like Chat GPT. I showed you the AI image generator, which is very, 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 very awesome. Okay. And the AI video, I showed you what that can do. Those are just like clips, but they're nice. If it's something you want to make, maybe, you want, for all you Telegram people, okay? Maybe you want to make yourself a new GIF, okay? Maybe you want to make your own, okay? Well, there you go. But you only get five, I think, every month, okay? Let's see. I'll show you right now. It says it says the first five standard videos per month are included, okay? After that, standard videos will cost $1 each, okay? So you got to remember, okay? If you go down through here, I've only done 3, okay? So you remember the first 5 are free, okay, every month. All right. So let's go over here to voice chat, okay? So voice chat by DPI is using your voice to most advanced AI voice chat. So, you guys, I know there's other AIs out there that pretty much can do this, okay? But you guys, for them to give you all of this at one time, for you to just have, is very, 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 very good, okay? So if you hit, I'm not going to hit call, but if you hit call, you can actually talk to the AI itself, okay? You can have a chat with it. You can talk to it, and it'll answer you back, okay? Very, 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 very nice. Um, there's some AIs out there that will do that, but you guys, they charge you a whole lot to do it, okay? Because it's very, very intelligent software to use. Um, and that's basically just showing off, okay? When you can talk to an AI, okay? So, but you guys, it's very, very simple. Voice chat, you know, voice chat by DPI, chat with AI using your voice, okay? So, and then we got one more part over here, which is the AI photo editor, okay? So as you can see, upload your file, then hit enter to prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put I'm just I'm just gonna do the prompt. Okay, so I'm just gonna put let's see uh make image of of let's see, make an image. Come on, you guys, help me out. Make what's a good one? I'm gonna let you guys pick one. Make an image of somebody. Give me one. Somebody give me one. Okay. First one that gives me, and I'm gonna. That's the one I'm gonna use. What's up, Russell? What's happening, Miss Lady J? How you doing? How you doing? Come on, you guys. You guys can think of something. Think of one thing. Think of one thing. You guys gonna make me think? Okay, I'll say make me an image of uh people dancing in the nightclub. Okay, okay. Thank you, Miss Shern. People dancing in nightclub. Okay. Now you guys see there's standard and there's genius. Okay, genius. Okay, you guys, genius is right there for a reason. Okay, because it's very, very good. So I'm gonna hit genius, and I'm gonna hit. Let's see if I can go down. I don't know if it's gonna let me do it. Let me see if it'll let me upload an image. Okay. Um. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do genius and generate. Okay. This is an image that I downloaded that I saved. Okay. It won't let me do the prompt. I don't know why it's not letting me do the prompt. I'm gonna have to play with that. I didn't I didn't know it was like that, but so now it's gonna go to Genius and it's gonna and then you can edit it. Basically, just editing. Okay, so here we got people dancing in a nightclub. So it did do the prompt. Okay, so now if we go down here to here, we can make it animated. We can remove the background. So let's go over here to edit. Uh, let's try to let's make it animated. Let's see if it'll do it. Okay. People in a nightclub dancing. Let's see if it makes it animated. Okay. Because I'm curious myself. Okay. It's thinking. It's thinking. Uh, kind of. Kind of. It kind of did it. It kind of did it. It kind of didn't. But not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. So let's go over here to edit. And then you could pick let's see. So we're gonna go here. I think it's doing it right now. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna make it animated. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what it does. What's up, my dude Paper? What's happening? Just showing off some of this AI stuff, you guys. My dude Paper's in the building. That's the man with the master plan. Okay. So let's see, you guys. It's still thinking. Okay, it's still thinking. Remember this Hollywood mode. If you really don't know what you're doing, don't turn it on because you're gonna be paying $10 per video. So remember, don't do it. Okay. So let's just see what it's gonna do. It's still thinking, you guys. It's still thinking. And it says right here, you guys, why it's doing it. It says exclusive. The first 5 standard videos per month are included. After that, the videos will cost $1 each. Okay? It will cost $1 each. Okay? So remember that when you're playing with it. Okay? Count how many videos you got. If you're gonna go past 5, make sure I mean, not everybody. I mean, I'm not saying nothing about $1, you guys, but uh, $1 to me is $1. I mean, I'm not gonna waste it on a dollar unless I'm gonna be making some money off of it. So let's see what it's doing. It's still thinking. So it's taking this image and it's converting it to animation. So we gonna sit here and we gonna wait. We gonna let it go. Okay. Uh, you guys, man, it's my Telegram group. You guys, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna explain again. You guys, for all you guys that don't know, my name is KODIMAN. Okay, I'm allowed to say my name. Okay, I'm allowed to say my name on YouTube, but you guys just remember this. That's some of the things that I did, and I still do. Okay, so I haven't made a video in a while, but you guys, my build is updated. It will be done here real soon, soon as it gets pushed, from my dude. But it's it's done on my part, okay? Because you guys know I had to make some adjustments because Fights on Demand uh went to a new repo and Asgard shut down. Okay, so a lot of changes that had to be made. So since I made some changes, I went ahead and just did some extra little things. Okay, but and also you guys, hey, what's up, my dude Paper? If I didn't say what's up, bro? What's happening? Um, and for you guys, this is the site. This is the link for what we're using right here. Okay, we're using a deep AI. Okay, and very very awesome, very awesome. Little program. I can't believe it's still taking so long. Let me stop this. Okay, because that's taking a little bit too long. Let me see previous videos. No, see, it ain't. I'll have to play. You guys can play with a little bit more, but I'm just basically it. You guys, it would have made it animated. Okay, it would have made that video animated. Okay, um, no, it would have made the photo animated. I'm sorry, not the video. It would have made the photo animated because it's an AI editor. Okay, photo editor. So, and then of course, you got your little guy here. You got all your things right here, your pricing. So, you guys, here's the pricing. Okay, here's the pricing. Okay, overall pricing. Okay, you get 500 standard AI image. Okay, 60 Genius Mode images. Okay, the chat is this is what you can use for the chat. This is what you can use for the video, and this is what you can use for the music. Okay. Now here's the prices down here. Okay, $5. Okay, for images, chats, videos, and music. Okay, that's for $5. This is what you get for $5. Okay, and it's very very good for $5. Okay, um, or you can go. Let me see if they have any other thing besides that. Uh, let's see. So it looks like it's just $5. Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks like it's just $5 a month. Okay, and that's what they give you. And if you go over it, then they charge you for each one. Okay, so but just remember, always remember, how much you're using. You know what I mean? And just keep track of it. Okay, and it'll actually tell you if I think it should actually tell you if you go past it that it'll charge you. Okay, but you guys, for $5, and you can actually make something like this. Okay, let me show you guys a picture because I'm impressed. I'm impressed with what I mean. This right here, you guys. I have not seen an image generator that except for the ones that are expensive, that can actually do that. Okay, that can actually do that. All right. So, you guys, uh, very super nice program. It works very super well. Um, it, and it's not expensive at all. And then you can actually get a little taste, a little taste of what AI is. Okay, because everybody needs to experiment with AI a little bit. Okay, because you guys, it's coming, and it's coming very fast. Okay, And when I mean fast, I mean there's there's people getting signed record deals from using AI. Okay, there's people getting signed for using to having record deals. Okay, Timberland is doing it. He's a multi Grammy artist. He just signed some girl that had AI music to a record label company. Okay, to a record deal. Is out there, you guys. It's out there. There's people that on Facebook, and I don't. I mean, I know you guys have Facebook. There's people on Facebook. If you pay attention, if you really, really pay attention to some of those little video clips that's on there, it's AI. It's AI, you guys. And they're getting multiple views on it. Thousands and thousands and thousands of views. Okay? TikTok, they're getting thousands of views. Okay? So, I mean, you just have to be willing to learn. You have to be willing to put just a little bit into it. Okay? And all AI is talking to it. Okay? Telling it what you want, telling it what you wanted to do. Okay? So, let's see over here. Let's see. Russell says, I guess no live shows from AI. I don't know. But you guys, man, I'm going to keep pounding this, through you guys' head so you guys can see this. Because this is what's trending on YouTube, okay? Besides all the wars and everything that's going on, this is what's trending, okay? This is what's really, really going on. And it just, I has been around. AI has been around for a while, but it's just now picking up, you guys. It's picking up, and it's getting a whole lot better, and it's getting a whole lot smarter, and it's getting to the point where people can actually produce stuff like this just in a matter of seconds. Okay, just a matter of seconds. All right. So we've been on here for almost 55 minutes. I'm gonna stay on for at least another 5 more minutes with you guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get off and um, finish doing what I'm doing. But you guys, man, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys, and you guys right here, just exactly what he says. Once you learn to talk to it, it's like a person, a lot of fun. And basically, that's what it is, you guys. It's like talking to an intelligent person, okay? It's like asking a genius to do something for you, however you want it, okay? Now, it's not gonna, I notice like there's very, very few things that AI won't do, okay? They won't talk about drugs. It doesn't talk about sex. I mean, those are the type of things that it won't talk about. But can you use the word shit in there in some other words? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you can. But um it's just the violence, the violence type stuff, it just don't do that. Okay? And some people, some celebrities it won't copy. It won't, won't generate. You know what I mean? Like if you ask it to make me a I mean, I don't know if all of them do that, but I know some of them won't do like, like it take like a celebrity and make it funny. I don't know. Some of them will, and some of them won't. You know what I mean? What? Oh, oh, she said. He said he was working with her, but haven't signed her yet. Okay, but still, you guys, like that took. Like, I mean, like AI is taking a multi Grammy producer. He's paying attention to her. He's involved in it. You know what I mean? So I mean, if you got somebody in the music game that's sitting there, looking and eyeballing this type of stuff and thinking like, wow, you know what I mean? That's got to be a pretty good ordeal. Okay, um, and and especially when you can take an AI video and use it on Facebook and make money off of it. Okay, there's people that are verified on Facebook and getting paid just to put these little small videos out there that like three, four, $500,000, 500,000 people are watching. Okay, and they're liking it. So you got to figure somebody's paying 40, $50 a month for the good ones, for the very, very, very good AI software, and making quadruple, whatever, off of it just doing it. Okay, they're getting their money back, all thousands and thousands and thousands of times back. Okay, so I just want to give you, and as I told you guys from the last live show, I want to teach you guys how to make money. Okay, I want to teach you guys how to make money. That's the thing. And my dude Paper, he showed me this. He said, "Oh, AI, AI," and I'm like, okay. So what I do, I YouTube it. Now that's my whole YouTube feed is AI. Okay, and guys, I'm learning a whole lot more, a whole lot more. It's there, it's coming. So I mean, you guys can go check this, this program out. Give it a, give it a shot. I mean, what's gonna hurt? $5. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it. And, um, yeah, try it out. And see what you think about it. Okay. Maybe you might want to make a little song for somebody. Maybe you might want, and it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Maybe you want to post a picture like that of a Frenchie with a Dallas Cowboy jersey on. And somebody like, where'd you get that from? And you could tell them that it's AI. Something you learned from KODIMAN. That's my objective. I want you guys to learn from me. And I want you guys to benefit from it. Okay? I want you guys to benefit from this. I want you guys to like it. And I want you guys to come back for more, which I'm gonna give you more. Because I done seen a whole lot more. And do I think it's way out of my ballpark? No, it's not. It's not out of my ballpark. I just haven't got to it yet. So you guys go check this program out. Um, I appreciate, there's all. Let me go. I'm gonna go back and say what's up. My Shrinker Sharon, I appreciate you. My dude Paper, Russell. Let's see, who else? Who else we got? Miss Lady J. Okay. Hufflink, Ian, Latif, D. Johnson, the creator, Latif, Katie. Man, I appreciate all you guys. Much, 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 much love to you guys for watching this live show because I know it's late, but I ain't trying to make it too long. I just want to, I just want to get on here and show you guys something that I learned while I was sick. Okay. And as you guys, when I was sick, I was still doing my thing. I was still doing my researching so I could show you guys something. Okay, but I'm gonna put that video together for you guys and show you how to get your AI on Llama and get it on your PC so you guys can use a little bit of that. But you guys go check this program out. Look it up and give it a shot. Okay, you definitely won't be disappointed. Okay, and just basically, I showed you um, what it can do. I showed you what it can do. I showed you how smart it is. That's the thing. Nobody wants to pay for something that's AI and it's not smart. Okay? There's some software out there that I tried, I used, you guys, and it just wasn't it. Okay, and I don't want to show you that. I want to show you the good stuff. I want to show you stuff that really is going to catch your attention and somebody else. Okay? So you guys go check it out. You guys have a good one. You guys stay safe. Hey, I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Probably, I'm not gonna make no promises, but probably sometime next week I'm gonna go beginning of the week I'm gonna go live, and uh we're gonna keep going and keep this thing going. Okay. Um, So you guys stay tuned. Keep your notifications on. For the ones that's watching the replay, much love. Okay? Much, much love. Because you could have swiped past it and said, not today, but appreciate it. Much, much love. You guys, um, Mr. On Demand, I see him here. eBear, she said, he says, he or she says thumbs up. Appreciate it. Okay? You guys have a good one. You guys stay safe, stay blessed, and hey, I'll most definitely see you guys on next one. Peace out.